I love you, Mommy.
Yeah, we'll miss ya. Just kidding. They're adorable. Listen, school is starting, summer is winding down, but the good news is the summer sale is not over yet. A bunch of you have said please extend it a little bit longer, and so we are listening. The summer sale is now going to end August 31st. Write it down. That's the end. There's not going to be any extensions after the extension. This is it. New shipping dates will be end of October, and you still get to save on this incredible bundle that packs a ton of accessories into your CNC purchase with everything you need with one click. So regardless if this is your first ever CNC purchase, or you're just looking to upgrade your machine, or you just have a ton of projects around the house that you realize it's time to do this for, this is a fantastic time to buy. And honestly, we can't thank you enough for making this sale such a huge success. And we can't wait to share with you the next thing we have up our sleeves, because this community is growing at such a rapid rate. And the Onefinity family, it's just getting better and better. Shop the summer sale now while you still can. This offer ends August 31st. Machines ship late October.